My favorite thing to do with my Aunt Mary. We have tea parties together. I'm a certified doctor. I love to do my favorite makeup together. I love to play dress up with my Aunt Ray. I love having dance parties. I love her, and that's well, she is a good girl. You break the rules and jump on the bed. She's my favorite person in the whole wide world.